Hello folks, welcome back to our channel. If you're on the lookout for a family-friendly dental care solution, today's review might just end your search. We're talking about the SENWEN 2-pack rechargeable electric toothbrushes, a dynamic duo designed for adults and kids alike. Packed with features like sonic whitening, multiple cleaning modes, and a smart timer, this set promises to elevate your family's oral hygiene. Let's dive in and see if it lives up to the hype. First off, this set comes not just with one, but 2 electric toothbrushes, making it a fantastic value right from the start. Whether it's for partners, siblings, or a parent-child duo, SENWEN has you covered. And with 8 brush heads included, you're set for a long time before needing replacements, which is a huge plus. The toothbrushes boast 6 cleaning modes: whitening, cleaning, sensitive, polishing, massage, and a mode especially for kids. This versatility means everyone in the family can find a mode that suits their needs perfectly. The smart timer, with its 30-second interval pings, ensures you brush evenly across all quadrants of your mouth, hitting that dentist-recommended 2-minute mark every time. Not to forget, these toothbrushes are waterproof, making them durable and easy to clean, a necessary feature for any bustling family bathroom. However, no product is without its drawbacks. While the SENWEN toothbrushes offer great features, some users might find the variety of modes more than they need, potentially complicating the brushing experience for the little ones or those preferring simplicity. Another point to consider is the charging time and battery life. Depending on your usage, you might find yourself charging these toothbrushes more often than expected, which could be a slight inconvenience. Lastly, while the inclusion of 8 brush heads is generous, the quality of these heads and how well they hold up over time compared to name-brand alternatives is something to keep an eye on. In conclusion, the SENWEN 2-pack rechargeable electric toothbrushes offer a comprehensive and value-packed option for families looking to upgrade their dental care routine. With features that cater to both adults and kids, it's a versatile set that promises cleaner, whiter teeth and a healthier smile for everyone. Interested in making brushing a breeze for your family? Check out the link in the description below for more details and to grab this set for yourselves. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe for more insights and reviews. Your support helps us bring you more of the content you love. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep smiling and take care of each other. Bye.